Namaste, because I cannot shake hands with you. Anyways, this is about preface. Preface of video logs we are intending to produce from our various brands. Very interesting brands. I'll briefly speak about each one and start the trail of information that will be flowing towards you in very specific episodes, subject wise. First one is from our company of real estate, the building company, where we would like to share information about real estate in simple language from very basic understanding to advanced. First one which we would like to share with you is about what we are doing from our level, which is creating commercial buildings, commercial and residential buildings. Utmost care is always taken from our side to create the buildings while the buildings are made and the quality. So we'll take you through all the features and all the details that we look into while constructing our masterpieces. Another part of this building company blog would be inviting guests from various fields, designers of all sorts, civil engineers, architects, interior designers, electrical designers, and everything that a real estate construction requires. There would be guests from the taxation side, there would be guests from legal side, and we would try to simplify the understanding of all these aspects into real estate. And we'll of course look into your feedback and queries, and if you suggest something, we would like to include that if it's possible. The second one would be from our sports and fitness side, which is Athlecross. A wonderful subject for all of us to be fit in, especially in these crucial times where our only defense is our immune system and our fitness. We would like to share with you the benefits of fitness, of wellness, and wellness includes many things about body, mind, emotions. In that, we would cover from basics from a person who is absolutely not into exercise, where that person should start from and what is possible for that person, and gradually take it up into variety of exercises which can be done at home or in the fitness facilities. The nutrition side of the fitness, the intellectual and the emotional side of fitness. And the subject is a very colorful one and will keep on growing as we move forward. The third one would be our coffee brand. The name is Kokoro. You must have heard about it. If not, you can go Google it. Of course, we are very prominently present on social medias. We bring the details and the magic from the world of coffee and tea. Yes, tea is important. We are Indians. And in this coffee, there is a variety of things which you would like to know. The information sometimes is obscure because you don't seriously hunt for it. We would like to present to you in a very simple format, very enjoyable format, interesting format. The one more branch of our brand making, one more section I would say, is Mindscape, which is created by one of our team members, Sakshi Viradia, and she is a 14-year school-going person, and very thought-provoking idea, that is Mindscape, which includes all the various branches of mental health and the awareness about it, which is crucial in these times. And we look forward to adding few more brands because we keep on looking for opportunities where we can put our creative, team spirit into. So this is an episode for preface of all these things, and from these various portals, we will make a separate preface, share with you what the brand is about to bring up for you. Could be new products, new guests, our expertise, and how you should treat that particular product segment. Look forward to be with you with many other team members of ours and enjoy this journey of sharing, learning and growing. So thank you and namaste.